Practice set 3. Use proper geometrical instruments to construct the following angles. 50 degrees. So let us start constructing the different angles. 50, then we'll go on the other angles. In order to construct 50 degrees, we shall draw a line BC, with the use of the scale. Suppose you have already drawn a line BC and you have placed the protractor on the line BC. Now we have to make an angle ABC which is 50 degrees ABC. We will draw a rough angle. So your angle being acute, it is less than 90 degrees. So it will be somewhere like this, somewhat like this. Now actual measurement. So using the protractor, you can see that this is 10, 20, 30, 40, and what we want is 50 degrees angle, 50 degrees. So exactly at 50 degrees, we will mark a point A. Now remove the protractor and you can join A with B so that you can get an angle ABC, which is 50 degrees. Coming to the next angle, which is 115 degrees. Angle 115 degrees. Can you tell me whether it is more than 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees? Yes, 115 is more than 90 degrees. So it is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle will be like this: A, B, C. Obtuse angle will appear like this, somewhat like this. Now suppose you have already drawn BC and placed the protractor on it, BC. So 115 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, like that you go on till you get 90, 100, and this is your 100, and 110 is here, 110. You want it to be 115. So your 115 will lie here. So you mark point A there. Remove the protractor and join A with B. So joining A with B will give you angle of 115 degrees. Next is 80 degrees, 80 degrees angle. Third is 80 degrees angle, 80 degrees. 80 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So it is an acute angle. Acute angle, it will be, right angle will be something like this, and less than 90 degrees will be acute angle. So it is somewhat like this. So our zero will start near C. So let us imagine that BC is already drawn and we have placed the protractor on BC. Now arm AB should make an angle of 80 degrees with BC. Arm AB, this AB, arm AB should make an 80 degrees angle. So you can count. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, like that, till you arrive at 80. You mark the point 80 degrees. You mark it as A. Remove the protractor and join A with B, so that you get the angle ABC. You get angle ABC equal to 80 degrees. ABC equal to 80 degrees. You can see on the protractor it is 80 degrees. Now 90 degrees. Again, suppose your BC is here and you have to make a right angle or 90 degrees. So BC, your 0 will begin here and 90 degrees will be exactly at the center, at the top. So you mark point A over there. Remove the protractor to join A with B. So you get angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. Now bisecting the angle, your first angle was 50 degrees BC. We had drawn angle ABC equal to 50 degrees. So your 50 degrees angle ABC, this is 50 degrees already drawn. Now in order to make a angle bisector, draw an angle bisector with B as a center and with some arc of a circle less than half the ABC, so half AB. The half AB will be somewhere here, midpoint of AB will be here. So slightly less than half AB, you draw arc of a circle cutting AB in point D and BC in point E. So you get your points D and E. With the same radius and with D as a center, now draw arc of a circle in the interior of the angle. Now with E as the center and the same radius, draw another arc of a circle cutting the previous arc of a circle in point F. Join BF and produce it further. So your BF will be the bisector, angle bisector, or the bisector of angle ABC. So it will divide the angle 50 degrees into two equal halves, 25 and 25. So this angle will be 25 degrees and the other half will also be equal to 25 degrees. Now the second value was 115 degrees. So your angle ABC is 115 degrees, which is obtuse angle. We had already drawn ABC. Now again with B as a center, you make an arc of a circle cutting AB in D and BC in E. With the same arc of the circle, draw another arc of a circle in the interior of the angle. With E as a center, again you draw the arc of a circle cutting the earlier arc of a circle in point O. Join BO. Your BO will be the bisector of the angle ABC. So BO is angle bisector. Angle bisector. So you are making use of compass and a scale. Compass to draw the arcs of the circles and scale to draw BO. The next is 80 degrees angle. 80 degrees. You had drawn angle ABC equal to 80 degrees. So 80 degrees, 90 degrees will be exactly above, 80 degrees will be here, A, point A. This is your 80 degrees angle. Now with B as a center and with some arc of a circle less than half AB, you make an arc of a circle cutting AB in point D and BC in point E. With the same arc of a circle, draw other arcs of the circles in the interior to cut each other in point O. Join BO. Join BO. So BO will be the angle bisector of angle ABC. Now your fourth angle is 90 degrees. ABC is 90 degrees. ABC. Now with B as a center, draw arc of a circle cutting AB in point D and BC in point E. Again follow the same procedure. With D as the center, draw arc of a circle with the same radius in the interior of the angle ABC. With E as a center, draw another arc of a circle with the same radius to cut the earlier arc in point O. Join BO. So BO is the angle bisector. So you get angles of 45 degrees each, 45, and the other half will also be equal to 45 degrees.